Jokanyo mag somo e kaonti ma Migori okwedo wach mar pando nyithindo manigi ng'ol marem dhi e skul kaka jowadgi mamoko. Kane giyango tuke mag joma ng'ol e alwora ma Nyanza, jotelo manochopo e tukego olero ni oganda duto manigi ng'ol ni kod ratiro mar somo kendo bero ngimagi. Min od gavana ma Migori Agnes Ochilo manodhialo tukego olero ni mono nyathi mong'ol somo en gima obalo gi chik, kojiwo jopiny mondo ochwal nyithindo duto e skunde mondo gisom kendo gidongre ma ok oroch ratichgi. Jokanyo jiwo ni nyithindo mong'ol nigi pok moko makende manyaka jiw kendo sir mondo gichop lek magintiere godo makonyo dongruok mar piny Kenya.
Migori TTC we are here
We are showing out these learners so that those who still feel that these learners are not their type may see and ape other parents who have taken them to school. We want to invite everybody in Migori to come to the various fields and witness what these learners who are able differently are able to do.
These teachers who are dealing with the special needs children, they need also special attention. They need to be motivated. We know when a motivated teacher is given an opportunity, they will do the best.
We don't choose the kind of children as mothers that we carry in our wombs, but once they are born, please let them and assist them to achieve what they are expected to do by giving the best environment, of course, when you're still with them at home. But once they grow up, please take them to the special institutions that we have. That such functions are not devolved, but I would ask the government to ensure that the attention they give to the able bodies when they're having their sports, can the same attention be given to these children? And I've taken it upon myself to ensure that I advocate for these children, because some of them cannot talk, some of them cannot move the way we move, so they'll need extra eyes and extra legs to work for them. And as a county first lady, I will also talk to my fellow county ladies from the region so that we give special attention and we advocate for these children, and the caregivers and the teachers also be treated in a special way.